Complete summary of the poem To the Cuckoo by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth discovers in nature an uncommon power which can not only satisfy human beings but also can transform this earth into a homeland for fairies and other supernatural agents. It is proved in his poem To the Cuckoo. The poet was wandering in the valley. He heard a sweet voice of a cuckoo. He felt delighted. It was spring season. The valley was full of beautiful flowers. Clear sunshine made the atmosphere in the valley serene and enjoyable. In his extreme gladness, addresses the cuckoo as blithe newcomer. The cuckoo appears first when spring comes to the earth. It sings happily. The poet was lying on the grassy field when he heard the song of the cuckoo. The song seemed to him a composition of two shouts such as cuckoo. Further, he heard the song being echoed by hills around him. Although the cuckoo was singing in the valley, it brought to his mind the memory of his boyhood days. By listening to the song and its echo, the poet is reminded of his past. He again addresses the cuckoo as the darling of spring. The bird is invisible to the poet. He hears its voice only. It is mysterious that a voice is produced by an invisible bird. The poet remembered a similar mysterious experience which had come about in his boyhood. He then heard the voice of a cuckoo and was delighted. It made him curious to see the bird. He searched for the bird in bush, tree, and sky, but he did not find the bird. Still, the urge to see the bird did not subside in him. He wandered in woods and afield to discover the bird. Still, he did not find. The bird had become a fine hope, a pleasant love for the poet at the time. That hope and that love drove him to look for the bird, but the bird was never seen. The poet does not give up hope to see the bird. He draws immense pleasure from the voice of cuckoo. The memory of his boyhood experience also brings pleasure to him. The voice of the cuckoo is the medium through which he goes back to his past and derives pleasure. For him, his boyhood is the golden time. Although the sad time is already past, he experiences similar feeling at present through the cuckoo's voice. Cuckoo is addressed as a blessed bird. It is blessed with the quality of an angel or a fairy. It feels the world with joy and happiness. The earth where human beings live appear to be a fairy place. Cuckoo like to dwell in that fairy place or a dreamland. Dear friends, here we have completed summary of To the Cuckoo by William Wordsworth in English, and now we'll continue the same summary in Hindi.